On November 23, 2023, a construction worker was trapped on a burning high-rise building surrounded by flames. The fire grew larger and larger. A crane operator nearby lowered a cabin down to the construction worker. Due to the fire, there was no way for the man to escape, not even by helicopter.
He's obviously trying to get it open.
Oh my God, in a second there won't be nothing to open.
The worker even held his jacket in front of him to protect him from the heat. With only a few seconds left, he managed to get on and was lifted away.
He's in! He's in!
This guy crashed into a parked car to avoid hitting the baby. He found a stranded dolphin on the beach. Everyone told him it was impossible to lift the tire. He is the perfect example of never giving up, no matter what others say. His parachute didn't open properly just before landing. See how he managed to land safely anyway. This utility worker in Tennessee swam through the floodwaters to rescue a woman out of her car. These two heroes in India rescued the stranded monkey.
आज रील वॉइस ओवर करनी पड़ेगी.
His body gave up, but not his will. This karate teacher is teaching karate to this monkey.
Spinning kick! Spinning kick! Get him up there! Ready, jump around us! Good kick! Up! Come on, kick it! One more, ready? Go! Come on, kick it hard! Kick it hard! Good kick! One more time! Good kick! Up!
T's child fell onto the tracks and was rescued at the last second. This man saved his dog and himself from a bear.
Get back! Get back! Get back!
This man climbs a 1,500-foot high TV tower to change some light bulbs. He does this twice a year and gets paid $20,000 each time. That's what you should do when ducks cross the road.
When he was driving down the road, he came to a stop when he noticed a small dog in the way barking like crazy, trying to get someone's attention. When he tried to pick it up, it ran away to show him the small baby just crawling around inches from the road. The dog even pushes him, wanting him to pick her up. Once he did, he brought her to safety, and later realized the small dog saved this baby's life.